Hey everyone, this is Tim from US6 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to make private your Steam inventory and your Steam trading cards so people can't see it on your profile. So what you can do is set to public, friends only, or private right here. So if you go up to your profile, you can see all the stuff that will be listed under your inventory. So if you don't want people seeing this, maybe I'll give you advantage for some reason, but go up to Steam, go to settings, go on over to account, privacy settings. Now under here, we want to go on down to where it says inventory. Decide what you want, public, friends only, or private. Your inventory includes items you've received in games that use Steam trading. It also includes any Steam trading cards you've collected and extra copies or Steam gifts. So that could be important. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.